How to sign in Gmail account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can sign in to Gmail account. Now, signing in on Gmail account is quite simple and easy. Simply open up Gmail app, you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and here you'll be able to see your account, every account that is on your device. Now to sign into another account, all you have to do is tap on add another account option. Tap on it and it'll take you to this page here. Select the account that you have made your email of. Now I'll just choose Google here and then it'll ask you for password. Simply type in your password or do the biometrics, and here you can see you can either sign into account or you can create new account. If you want, you can create account by tapping on create account option at the bottom left corner of the screen, or here to be able to sign in, simply type in your email here, and once you type in your email, all you have to do is tap on next here. Now this account already exists on my device, but what you can do is tap on next and it'll ask you for password and then enter your password and you'll be logged into your Gmail account. So this way you can sign into Gmail account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.